Now available at McCarthy Cars, C58 Rich Mercedes B200 CDI Turbo Diesel Sport with a 2.0 engine. The vehicle is in metallic polar silver finish with a 17-inch of Mercedes alloy wheels. At the back it's got the rear parking sensors. It's got split folding rear seats and the little shower. All four alloy wheels in very good condition. The front view of the vehicle is got front fogs and front parking sensors. The bodywork is in good condition. The interior of the vehicle is a full leather with 5 headrests. It's got ISOFIX for child seat preparation, and for your safety it's got front and side airbags. It's got electric windows and mirrors. Very well maintained. The interior is in good condition as well. It's got automatic headlights. And as you can see, the vehicle is done only 44,000 miles on the clock. It's got a automatic geartronic. It's got multifunction steering wheel, voice commands on the right hand side, and the cruise control on the left hand side. It's got center armrest, rear view dimming mirror, and then he's got the heated seats, front heated seats, air conditioning. Got satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, it's got CD changer up to 6 CDs. So basically it's got the CD player, disc, memory card, which they call the SD card. It's got music register, media interface, and aux-in. Let's see. I guess it's 4 GB of storage. Yes, it's got 4 GB of storage for your music. So this was the quick overview of the Mercedes B200. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call.